Whakalawha atu mākou. Whala, kuau I mete polo mo mga whaua haku I haua pakuranga. Got the bro.
Whakawhale atu John.
He ke hakoe.
How ke play netball today. We've got 4 games I heard, so I'm only prepared for 3. Only trained for half a game. Nah, it should be good, it's a Hakupu netball fundraiser, eh?
Yeah.
So just coming out to have a support and to support them. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, looking forward to it, man.
Yep.
No subs, eh? That's the only risk, so try and recruit as the day goes on.
What do you think about the no nets?
Oh yeah, we normally play indoor netball, so maybe our passes have to be a bit more accurate, and because we have no subs, we probably should just pace ourselves and just get the simple shots in, get the easy shots, don't force it.
Yeah.
And just play our own game.
Yeah.
It's got no subs, so there's no point trying to push ourselves.
Yeah.
Just you don't want to get injured.
Any tips for those ones trying to play netball?
Oh man, have a go. It's fun. Just make sure you have fun first, and then go hard out and enjoy.
Yeah.
But should be good.
Hey bro, there's a new language week coming up, eh?
Yeah, the whole Niue week starts around the 14th of October, I think.
Yeah.
Or is it, or the 12th?
14th or 13th.
12th or something. Yeah.
Any plans for that week?
Yeah, might be up in Niue. But just waiting on confirmation, so see how that goes. But there's lots happening because it's our 50th independence celebration. I think that's what it's called. It's called the Niue Pule Whakamotu.
Yeah.
When we sort of signed an agreement with New Zealand to have our own governing country.
Yeah.
But we're very fortunate because that's with association with New Zealand, so we're a round country. So we're New Zealand citizens. So that's my understanding.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can go to Niue during that time and celebrate the 50th year.
Yeah.
Cool.
Shit. Alright, whakaoe, Dave, whaikupu.
Bye. That's it. Had a good time. Nick was just started there, but we missed this guy. So I think we not in. Got a haircut from Jordan's to shout out to him.
Hikiulu's looking mitaki.
Yeah. So hopefully have a shoot to go, but give it up.
Yeah. And then we got the other people. We got Hannah, who plays netball, Hayden's wife. We got lovely Lily, Dave. We got our Whaionga and our speedster, Niue's fastest, Niue. Whakalawha atu mākou, osi ola limela tau. Yeah. Ei mua mautolu, pa seisei e ola, ko wau ko grade C, ko tangata lautolu, grade A, simitaki, no tu mau hake. Now we had our first game, we came second, but the team was a grade A and we were grade C, but we gave them a good fight. We had good advice from the coach Miss, telling us where to stand from GI Falcons. We had Boom on D, Anna on wing defense, Hayden and center, and Boshi. It was a good game. I think that the day goes on, we'll get better and get better. Mitaki lahi hau nei, mai ke aonga whakahau Niue, wangahau Niue, mo tau tangata, tangata Niue. Longa tau tangata. O mai ke whawhau moui, ke moui sino malolo. Ke mitaki manako mo malolo, mo mahani, si mitaki. Ai o ni mo ke leveki sino whakoe mai ke no mai.
Try.
Awesome.
It's easy.
Awesome, yeah. Easy and extra to stay there.
Have you guys got Xbox?
No, but if you need anything.
So it's not central.
Yeah. Because I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we got my Luca. So Luca, you out on the camera? So Luca selling some food. What you got on sale, brother? What you got on sale? Tell us.
Steak and mushroom roll.
Yep, steak and mushroom roll. What else?
IDK burger.
What's an IDK?
I don't know.
Oh, IDK. What's this over here? Otai. Raw fish. Who made the raw fish?
I think Dad did.
Oh yeah. Sweet. And you playing for Niue League, eh? Oh, playing for Cook Island. Yeah, this is my nephew DeLuca. He's a rep for Cook Islands and he played rugby for Jury. Jury just came from Taupo. His future stuff for Cookie Niue. We're gonna buy some stuff, bro. We're just gonna buy some stuff. Oh, you wanna come? David. It's my cousin Josephine. We're coming to buy some food, support the business. Hey, support the business, guys. What's the name of your business? Local business. Local. Yeah. It's my cousin Jose. Oh, IDK.
It doesn't stand for I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Isaiah DeLuca Hiring.
Ah. IDK munchies.
Yeah. Say I don't know.
Yeah. So you're gonna open up more stores as more events comes up, eh? Yeah. Oh yes. Bro, can you drop some bangahau for the followers? There you go, IDK munchies, support the business. Whakaolowhatu Mako, I'm here with Morgan Poi, the Niue, he does all the prints, Niue gears. So he's the guy that comes see if you got sports teams, eh?
Yeah, man.
Sports teams, want to do some prints, I'll show you some of the stuff. But how long have you been doing this for, brother?
Probably 15 years, but like the last few years just taking it seriously. Oh yeah, want to take it to another level. And plus there's like a lot more other stuff that I want to sort of like contribute to the you know, to the homeland and everything.
Yeah.
Get everybody sort of like, you know, moving forward.
Yeah.
And well, I can probably support it.
Yeah.
But just in reference to anything to do with like graphic design, printing, and anything like that, if you have a concept, they can get it done for you.
Yo.
Okay.
Bro,
So-
what, I forgot to ask, bro. Village, bro. What village and your heritage?
Okay, so full Niuean, both parents Niuean. One's from Avaseli. My mum's side is Low Follies. It's 16 in her family, big families. And the Poi Fussies is the La Kepa side. That's my old man. Yeah, and it's 12 on his side. Yeah, so never going to marry Niuean girl. Come give auntie a kiss. Through with that now. Okay, thank you for the look. Yeah, my follow.
Whakaoelahi. So yeah, so we've got some of Morgan's gears. All original prints?
All original prints, man.
This guy's all original stuff.
Yeah, I just made up that. That's kind of a nice one.
You didn't know Nukutu Tahas and the old Niue, name of Niue?
Yeah, so.
It's got his gears.
Yeah, it's you know.
This is another original design. As you can see, got Mickey Mouse and Niue Thai gears.
Yeah, man.
Doing Muay Thai.
Yeah.
My kids love Muay Thai, they're doing it, so I might have to come for that.
Well, this is original because we call it New Thai.
Oh, whoa! Muay Thai. Yeah, homo. Yeah. Oh, what else you got, bro?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's the official 50th.
Shafia, how much, brother, for one of these?
Yeah, normally 65, 70, but yeah, today is 55.
Oh,
So,
special.
special, yeah. Man.
Yeah.
Come in.
Oh, mean. That's
Yeah,
mean.
so there's like
Usually 65, but today 55.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
And also, yeah, just hit me up on a message me, and I'll I can take in all orders before the day. Yeah, so like I've got like 3 versions of these. That was just the second one. Also,
Woo! Oh yeah, the 50th anniversary. Niue, oh yeah, Kule Whakamotu.
so they're all sort of originals. I have to plug this out because there's like there's so many you know.
Yeah.
So many Liku people.
Oh, Liku hard.
Haven't forgotten you guys. Okay. I always lead off with the Liku thingy.
Yep.
Even though I'm from Absent.
Fa. Liku, sure, Liku.
Yeah,
So these are all original from Morgan, all original prints. You won't get this anywhere else in the world.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's a mean one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also there's one other one there. Yeah. I think this is off center, but like yeah, it's another one.
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah. So these are all online. That's it. Yeah, showing off that as well. With the tour.
Yeah. Oh, that's a
Okay.
cool one.
There's some more. There's the hard rock.
Nice.
This is a standard one.
Oh, that's
This
cool.
is the only one that I haven't done. So shout out to my nephew.
Oh, your nephew did that one. Damn.
So if you need because he's a tattoo artist.
What's his name?
His name is Azarian Makusic.
Azarian
Azarian Makusic, yes.
Azarian Makusic.
Yeah, he's half Niue, half Croatian.
Croatian, does tattoos, does that style.
Yeah, he does the artwork on anything.
Oh, bro, I might have to get another tattoo from him.
So hit him up, man, because he like he's a real promising
Up and coming.
Although like when I met him when he was 8 years old, he was just awesome.
Yeah.
And then now he's a builder now, but I mean all of his work is fantastic. I have to do this one because everybody knows that Wolverine is Niue. Probably from Absent. Nah.
Yeah.
Everyone's saying this from here, but
Bro.
yeah. And then once again, just to plug that, like, you know, eat well,
Yeah.
train well.
Yeah. Niue
Make sure you-
steroids.
Make sure you have your KFC with you.
Gee.
Okay.
Cool. There you go, guys. Look at this. I've got the beanies. I'm going to get myself a beanie and a hoodie. But now that top looks pretty mean.
Yeah, so I
Look
do
at that.
pretty much everything. I'm a one-stop shop that does everything.
Yeah.
If you want something done,
And he does custom. He does custom.
I do all custom stuff.
Yep. Morgan's easy to work with. Cool guy. He's Niuean. That's the main thing. He's Niuean and he's easy to work with. Just got to hit him up.
Yeah. So
What's the best way to contact you?
yeah, so you can reach me on my website, actually on my Facebook site. But I do have a Shopify site. My branding is Poison Ink.
Poison Ink.
Yeah, so I have a Shopify site. But like, just go to Facebook and just look up Morgan Poi. Sounds real Pakia, because my old man halved our name to Poi, so it should have been Poi Fussy.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's why all the Māoris come up and give me a hongi.
Oh.
Yeah, because they always think the last name Poi.
Oh yeah.
Poi. Yeah, and I love that song. Nah. Okay, thank you again.
Okay. Fuck away. I'm gonna buy some. Yeah. Fuck away, man. All right.
Working, man.
Oh, okay.
I did two. They said like, yeah, you get one, so I'm hoping to get 100k, but yeah, whatever.
Cool, man.
But like, yeah, for your purposes, production size.
Yo, we just had our last game. Looks like we had a win. We got Kyron. Here's our team.
Awesome.
Lily, come.
Come, Lily.
Come, Karen.
Come, Karen.
Three cheers for yellow. Hooray! One for us.
Yeah. Last game. Good game.
Good game, Wala.
Langi. Stay. Fuck away. Yeah.
Oh, the game was awesome. Ciao, said, I loved the meeting, but thanks for coming.
Shee. Let's go, Dave. Let's go. This is the team. We just won. We won, Amos.
Yeah.
And we've got Kyron. He's our food sponsor, sponsoring food.
Team photo.
Kyron wants to say, oh yeah.
To a new way.
Yeah.